Amanda Bieksa with Homes by DeSantis at Aquazul. We found that selling at Aqua Blue and Aquazul, condo living is becoming increasingly popular. Currently we have the Mist Sales Center open in Stony Creek, and we will be selling Centerville in Beamsville shortly, and then the Century building, which is a condo building downtown Grimsby, shortly after that. With condo living, it's kind of appealing to everyone. We have a lot of people who have been in those areas for a long time, don't necessarily need the large home anymore. And we've also found that it's appealing for first-time home buyers who are interested in getting into the market for the first time. And then a lot in between too. They're appealing for families and investors alike. We've found tables that will convert into a bench, and one of the coolest things that we've come across is a Murphy bed that when it's upright, it's a full shelving desk unit and it pulls down into a true double. We would love to see you if you come to visit us in the Aqua Blue building located at 10 Concord Place in Grimsby. Hope to see you soon.